Wow. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what I got here. Some cases from a company called Casetify. First of all, a big thank you to them for sending this out and being part of this video. These are cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. These are the new bounce cases. You could drop these cases up to 21 feet and you'd be good. These are gotta be the most protective cases, the most customizable, the best looking. They have everything but the kitchen sink. And I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max here in that deep purple. And I wanted to show these cases off. Now, if you want to pick these up, any of these, or you want to design your own, they have thousands of cases that you can choose from for any phone, any style, different designs. It's incredible. I mean, I got it is over now here. I got the waves in blue here. I got the great Sushi dragon, and I got the moon deal here, whatever this is called, the global. I forget what it's called, but we're gonna get into it. But I'll leave links down in the description where you can pick these up, and you can get 15% off if you use my code Android Stud. That's right, casetify.com/Android Stud. You jump on there, you'll be able to save some money. So let's get into it. The first one we're gonna do is let's do the blue wave, or the waves in blue. We're gonna check that one out first. And like I said, these are very heavy duty. They come with MagSafe, so you're good to go as far as wireless charging or anything like that. As you can see, the MagSafe is there. Now, there's an X plate here on the back that provides extra protection, and then you get these bounce corners so they can boop, take that bounce. You get some great camera protection there with the camera there. You get some Casetify branding. And then this has some good lip action, very smooth, very rubbery. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in here so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Now, this case is made from recycled phone cases. That's right. They help save the earth. You can pick up different styles here. Like they have the clear black. They have the triple black, which is the real dark one. This is the clear black. This is the triple black here on the Great Sushi. And then you could do Piri Purple. You could do Kiwi, which is the Kiwi is this one here, down here. I'll show you that in a second. And then you could do Bubblegum, which is more like a pink. So you could do different shades of your case in that design. I'm telling you, man, they really know how to customize their case, really know how to design their cases. I've never seen a case company with this many options. This has got to be the best case company known right now, because they have so many selections, so many. Look at this design, that's crazy. All right, let's get into this other one here, which is it is over now. It show is. So you see, this is the Kiwi. So you get the Kiwi look with that design. Go ahead and take this off. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna go through the buttons. The buttons are the same on each one, but I'll do different things with each case, including the MagSafe. Now the power button is very good, very easy to push. Volume up is oh man, nice and smooth. And as you see, you get a nice opening there, nice and even, detailed, perfect for your alert slider, your volume up and down there. Other side, you get that power button. And then over here, you get your openings here for your cable for charging, also your speakers. Type-C Apple. I'm telling you guys, got to go Type-C. And then look at these corners, man. I'm telling you, you could drop your phone from a 2-story building. 20 feet. This is nice. And look at the camera. Look at the camera on here. Great camera protection. And then as you get that great lip action on your case. And these are very the good grip. They're not tremendously heavy for being a heavy duty case. They're not tremendously heavy. Now this is gotta be my favorite. This is called the Great Sushi Dragon. And this is in that triple black. And the thing, I just love the design on this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then the texture on the case, the black, is just awesome. It's kind of like like a dull matte finish. It is superb. So we're gonna go ahead and take out our iPhone 14 Pro Max and put this in here. This is my favorite, man. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And like I said, you get that X plate back there, 21 feet drop protection, eco shock protection. It's got all kinds of stuff. Oh, and then if you want to do MagSafe, you just put it on the back here. Boom. You charge, ready to go. And let's see how strong this is. Oh man, that's pretty strong. That is pretty strong. Yeah, the MagSafe is strong. This is the Great Sushi Dragon. You get some cool colors there, triple black, clear, kiwi, purple, all that good stuff. Now you can get different styles. You can get the impact case if you don't want to spend as much money. You can go down to a very minimal case if you want in this style. And then the last one that I wanted to show you is this one here. And remember, you get that discount code, Android Stud, get 15% off. Oh, it's called Gravity. So that one is called Gravity 3.0. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Put it in here. Man, these cases are fun, man. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And it comes in that kiwi, but you can get the black or you can get the clear black, whatever you want to do. And these go right in, man, and they fit perfect on the device. I like this one. This is my second favorite. I like the Great Sushi Dragon first, then the Global 3.0, and then I got to go with the Ocean Waves, and then it is over now. But yeah, this is a good look. This is a real good look. I like this one a lot. Sorry, I'm trying to go back to my saved websites. There we go. Look at that, man. That is just perfect. Look at that. And then, you know, we got to try it. You got to do yourself a little drop protection. Look at that. You see that? That is boom. Look at that. I'm telling you, all in one piece. I dropped that so hard that it cracked a little bit of the board here, my whiteboard. So you're gonna get some good protection on this case. And remember, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for more videos like this. But these cases are definitely legit. I think these are definitely something you gotta pick up, make part of your collection. They're like, cases are like sneakers, man. You got the MagSafe on deck. We're gonna go back to the Sushi Dragon. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be my case right here for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I appreciate everybody watching. Remember, links to these cases are down in the description. Make sure you pick one up. Peace.